teaching the world a better way to protect what drives the world. In the world of turbo machinery, there's little room for error. These critical machines are the heartbeat of industry and all run with the intention and expectation of delivering high precision, reliability, and trust. And yet lurking in each of these mechanical systems is an invisible threat: lubricant varnish. Every day this silent saboteur slowly builds up inside the lubricant and eventually onto the mechanical components, threatening performance and putting these critical assets at risk. In fact, 54% of all forced outages are caused from lubricant contamination, making it one of the main failure modes in turbo machinery. Unfortunately, this occurs regularly with either no mitigating strategy in place or an approach that fell far short and did not solve or prevent the problem. For years, we have observed ineffective filtration approaches or the use of aftermarket chemical additives that only mask or delay the problem for a time, coming back later to cost even more. We knew there had to be a better way, a cleaner way, a smarter way, so we started something different. We began to teach the world a better way through lubricant chemistry management. Our company was born out of relentless commitment of protecting and preserving the health of lubricants, not by altering them, but by restoring them. Our solution, patented ICB ion exchange filtration technology, which is designed to treat the symptoms and remove the root cause of varnish formation. No band-aids or partial fixes, no chemical cocktails, just pure, intelligent protection for the world's most critical machines. We're not here to sell you something that you don't need or want, or to provide something that will not deliver results. We're here to extend asset life, to preserve lubricant integrity, to avoid unplanned downtime, and to build trust one system at a time. Because when you believe in doing things the right way and delivering solutions, you don't just build a product, you build a purpose, and that is what EPT Clean Oil is. Teaching the world a better way since 1994.